Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube comments not loading. So let's just get straight into the video. The first you want to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your YouTube app. If that doesn't work, it could be because your restricted mode could be turned on YouTube. Simply go ahead and open your YouTube application, click on your profile on the bottom right of your screen and click on the settings icon. Once you've done that, you want to click on general one more time, and as you can see, there's a restricted mode. Make sure this setting is turned off and it should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, simply go ahead and open your settings, head straight into general and scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and reset network settings, and that should fix your problem. If none of those do, then simply try to restart your mobile device. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.